In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get an access token in a Shopify app or extension. Whether you're developing a Shopify app for personal use, working on a client project, or preparing an app for public distribution, knowing how to generate an access token is absolutely essential. This simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know so your app can communicate securely with a Shopify store without confusion or stress. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and make sure you're logged into the store you want to work with. Once you're there, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the Settings option. This area is basically the control center of your store, so take a moment to follow along carefully and don't rush this part. Next, from the Settings menu, click on Apps and Sales Channels. This is where Shopify lets you manage all installed apps and create new ones. From here, choose the option to create a custom app, sometimes referred to as a legacy custom app. It might sound a bit old school, but don't worry, this is still the correct choice for custom integrations and development use cases. When prompted, enter a clear and descriptive name for your app, so you can easily recognize it later. After that, click the Create App button and wait just a moment while Shopify sets everything up for you. This step officially gets your app ready to interact with your store. Now, click into your newly created app and open the API Credentials section. This is where things really start to matter. Here, you'll be able to generate and view your access token, which acts like a secure key that allows your app to read or write data from the store. Make sure you grant only the permissions your app actually needs. This helps keep everything safe and secure. Before moving forward, here's a quick tip. Always store your access token securely, never expose it publicly, and avoid sharing it in plain text. Taking a few extra seconds here can save you from major security issues later. Once everything is set up, your app can now communicate with Shopify smoothly and securely without interruptions. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to generate an access token for your Shopify app or extension with confidence and ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, feel free to share it with another developer. Why not make their Shopify journey easier too?